Hello, and welcome to today's Dev Talks. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore together: how to use ChatGPT Code Interpreter for image processing. I'm your host, Kyle, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this learning journey. The goal of this lesson is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage the capabilities of the ChatGPT Code Interpreter model for image processing. We'll walk through a series of use cases that demonstrate the model's potential in analyzing, manipulating, and generating images. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid foundation for incorporating image processing into your own projects, all with the assistance of this powerful AI tool. Let's dive into our first use case: retrieving image attributes. In this scenario, we'll upload an image to ChatGPT and ask it to provide us with valuable information about the image. To begin, let's upload an image to the ChatGPT interface. You can do this by clicking on the Upload Image button and selecting the image you want to analyze. Ensure that the image is in a common format such as JPEG, PNG, or GIF. Great! We've successfully uploaded our image. We can display the image. We can click the Show Work arrow to show the actual Python code. If you are a developer, that is very helpful. Now, let's write prompts in ChatGPT to retrieve various attributes of the image. Wow! That is a beautiful picture. For the first attribute, we want to get the image file name. We'll write the prompt as get the image file name. This prompt will instruct ChatGPT to extract the file name from the uploaded image. Next, let's move on to retrieving the image size. We'll write the prompt as get the image size. This prompt will guide ChatGPT to determine and share with us the dimensions of the image, specifying its width and height in pixels. Now, let's explore how to retrieve the image format. We'll write the prompt as get the image format. This will prompt ChatGPT to identify and tell us the format of the uploaded image. Moving on, let's retrieve the image pixel format. We'll write the prompt as get the image pixel format. This will instruct ChatGPT to extract and provide us with the pixel format of the image, which tells us how the color information is encoded. Next, we will learn how to rotate images. To begin, let's write a prompt in ChatGPT to rotate the image 45 degrees. Fantastic! ChatGPT has rotated the image 45 degrees, and we can now see the transformed image on the screen. It's as easy as that. Now, what if we want to undo the rotation we just applied? Let's write a prompt to achieve that. Perfect! ChatGPT has undone the rotation, and we can see the image restored to its original orientation. Now, let's take it a step further and rotate the image 180 degrees. We can write a prompt using the same code structure as before, with the angle changed to 180 degrees. Marvelous! ChatGPT has successfully rotated the image by 180 degrees, giving it a complete inversion. Next, flip images. We'll learn how to flip images horizontally, vertically, and even rotate them by 90 degrees. We uploaded a new image to demo this. To begin, let's write a prompt in ChatGPT to flip the image horizontally. We can use the following code. Wonderful! ChatGPT has successfully flipped the image horizontally, creating a mirror effect. Now, let's explore flipping the image vertically. We can just say, flip the image vertically. Marvelous! ChatGPT has flipped the image vertically, creating a mirror effect along the vertical axis. Now, let's take it one step further and rotate the image by 90 degrees. Impressive! ChatGPT has successfully rotated the image by 90 degrees. Next, let's look at how to resize an image. Resizing an image allows us to change its dimensions. To start, let's write a prompt in ChatGPT to resize the image to half its original size. We can use the following prompt: resize the image to 1/12 size. By maintaining the aspect ratio, the image retains its proportions while becoming smaller. Now, let's explore a different resizing scenario. We'll resize the image to 100 width and 50 height without cropping any parts of the image. Here's the prompt: Resize the image to 100x50. No cropping. Excellent. ChatGPT has successfully resized the image to 100 width and 50 height, maintaining its aspect ratio. Next, create thumbnails. Thumbnails are small, compressed versions of images that are commonly used for previews, galleries, or fast-loading web pages. To begin, let's write a prompt in ChatGPT to create a thumbnail of the image with a size of 128x 128 pixels. We can use the following prompt: create a 128x 128 thumbnail. The thumbnail maintains the image's aspect ratio while compressing it to a smaller size. Excellent! ChatGPT has successfully created a thumbnail of the image with a size of 128x 128 pixels. Next, cropping images. Cropping allows us to extract specific regions of an image, focus on particular subjects, or remove unwanted parts. Before cropping, we need to find out image size. Then we can crop the image by specifying an region. For example, crop the image with region 0, 0, 1800, 2500. Fantastic! ChatGPT has successfully cropped the image using the specified region. The resulting cropped image showcases the selected portion while discarding the rest. Now, let's explore cropping the image center with a specific size. We can use the following prompt: crop the image center with size of 500 x 500. The resulting cropped image focuses on the central region, allowing us to highlight the subject or create visually balanced compositions. Next, merge images. Merging images allows us to combine different visual elements, create collages, or even perform complex image compositions. To begin, let's write a prompt in ChatGPT to swap the red and green color channels of the image. We can use the following prompt: swap the red and green bands. Swapping color channels is an intriguing technique that allows us to experiment with different color combinations. Now, let's explore merging two images side by side. We will upload two images first. Then we use prompt: merge the two images side by side. Excellent! ChatGPT has successfully merged the two images side by side. We can also merge images vertically. Just use prompt: merge the two images vertically. Now let's talk about applying filters to images. Filters allow us to enhance, modify, or extract specific features from images. Let's dive in and learn how to apply various filters. To begin, let's write a prompt in ChatGPT to apply a blur filter to the image. We can use prompt, apply blur filter. The blur filter can be useful for reducing noise, softening edges, or creating a dreamy effect in images. Now, let's explore applying a box blur filter with a radius of 5 to the image. We can use prompt, apply box blur filter with radius 5. This creates a box blur effect with a specific radius. Now, let's explore applying a Gaussian blur filter with a radius of 9 to the image. We can use prompt, apply Gaussian blur with radius 9. The resulting image exhibits a smoother and more diffused appearance compared to the previous blur filters. Now, let's apply the mini filter to the image. We can use prompt, apply mini filter. The mini filter retains the smallest pixel value in the neighborhood, resulting in a sharpening effect. Let's continue by applying the contour filter to the image. We can use prompt, apply contour filter. The contour filter accentuates the edges, creating a stylized, outlined appearance. Now, let's apply the detail filter to the image. We can use prompt, apply detail filter. The detail filter brings out fine details, resulting in a more pronounced and textured appearance. Let's proceed by applying the Edge Enhance filter to the image. We can use prompt, apply Edge Enhance filter. The Edge Enhance filter strengthens the edges, making them more pronounced and distinct. The Edge Enhance filter is useful for emphasizing boundaries and highlighting edges within images. Now, let's apply the Emboss filter to the image. We can use prompt, apply Emboss filter. The Emboss filter creates a three-dimensional appearance by simulating the effect of light and shadow. Now, let's apply the Fine Edges filter to the image. We can use prompt, apply Fine Edges filter. The Fine Edges filter creates a visually distinct outline effect. Let's execute the code and observe the result. Now, let's apply the Smooth filter to the image. We can use the prompt, apply Smooth filter. The Smooth filter reduces noise and enhances the overall appearance by blurring fine details. Let's apply the Sharpen filter to the image. We can use prompt, apply Sharpen filter. The Sharpen filter accentuates edges and fine details, resulting in a crisper appearance. If you don't know which filter will work, you can just describe the expected effect in the prompt. Let ChatGPT figure it out for you. That is the power of ChatGPT. For example, you can say, make the image more reddish. Next, watermarks. Watermarks are used to protect or brand images by adding text or logos. Let's write a prompt in ChatGPT to draw the watermark words Patrick in the bottom right corner of the image. We can use the prompt, draw watermark word Patrick in the bottom right corner of the image with serif font size 64 black color opacity 128. By mastering these techniques, you can now leverage the power of the ChatGPT Code Interpreter to perform various image processing tasks. Remember, image processing is a vast field, and there's always more to explore and learn. So keep experimenting, developing new ideas, and discovering creative ways to enhance and transform images. If you want to delve deeper into how the ChatGPT Code Interpreter works and explore more topics, I invite you to check out my blog on davidium.com. There, you'll find detailed insights and valuable resources to expand your knowledge. Thank you for joining us in this educational video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.